a very quick GC Studio demonstration, just showing the new debugger. We're very close to the beta release, maybe within the next few days. So let me just zoom out from there and I'll just show you a source program. Here's my list of programs I've got, one called main.gcb, that's what I've got. And all it's got in it is just the chip name. It doesn't really matter what's in there, to be quite frank. I'll just show you that lot. It just says the chip name, because that's good enough for GC Basic to show you the debugger's operational. So I'm going to press, let me just select it from the screen, start debugging, that's the option there, start debugging, and then I'm just going to zoom out so we can see what's happening once I've selected my debugger. So I've got two debuggers loaded, built in, and that will be free for even the basic configuration. And now I'm going to talk to Series 4 or a Gen 4 programmer. It's just bringing it up. Well, I'm just going to zoom out in those few moments there. It's done it. I really should do that again. Just to show you, so I'm now in the debugger, I'm now walking the code that was generated. So let me stop that and we'll do it all from this position here. At the bottom here, we've got information around the debugging process, and we've got the project, as I said, on the left here. So here's my main program. I'll shut that .s file down. Here's my main project. I'm going to press run, start debugging. It then allows me to select what I want to use, the simulator or the external programmer. I'm going to do this in real silicon. It then compiles it up. It then talks to the PICKIT4 I'm using today. It's just gone green. It's now programmed it. Only takes a few seconds regardless. And it's now stopped on entry. And I will then just press function key or F11 and say step into, and I can now see the code. And at the bottom, you can see the debug console. There is another terminal window down here about what happened in terms of the compilation process and passing it over to the debugger, which all took 1.8 seconds. The debugger actually just takes a little bit longer to launch up, but it's really good. I can now walk that code. I'm now walking through the code that was generated by the GC Basic assembler inside of a very professional debugger. And I can walk the code, and this is exactly what is happening in the code. Great, the chip's gone to sleep, that's fine. And I can stop the debugger. I can close the project, close that down, function key F4, function key F, there we go. Quick demo.